Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use AI to create clickworthy and engaging YouTube video titles that will help you to rank higher on YouTube. Right, so if you want to create YouTube video titles, one of the best tools to use is the 𝐤𝐸𝐹 AI software. You can start using for free using the link in the description below. You can use it for 5 days for absolutely free. And all you have to do if you want to create YouTube video titles is to open up 𝐤𝐸𝐹 AI. First, of course, sign up for the 𝐤𝐸𝐹 AI account. Then on the left, click on templates here. Then you're going to be able to search for video templates here in the search bar, and then you're going to find this video titles template, and you can click on this one. And as you can see, all we have to do to create YouTube video titles is to add what our video is all about. So let's say we want to make a video about how to make money with a YouTube channel. Then the keyword we want to rank for is make money on YouTube. Then we have to add a tone of voice. So as you can see, you can use different combination of words like witty, friendly, disappointed, polite, creative, professional, and so on. So let's say we want to use an expert tone of voice. Then you can add the input and output language if you are using a language other than English. Then you can add the number of inputs you want 𝐤𝐸𝐹 to generate for you. Let's say we are okay with 3, then click on generate. And now they're gonna use the AI technology to come up with engaging and click-worthy YouTube video titles. So as you can see, these are some great video ideas. How I made 10,000 in 1 month on YouTube. No filming required. 16 simple steps to make money with YouTube. Truth about making money on YouTube. 3 myths you must know. So I really like this output. You can choose one of this, or you can change some of the elements. So how you made maybe $1,000 in 1 month. And of course, if you don't like the output, you can just change the inputs here. So what is the video about? You can be more specific. You can change the tone of voice. You can change the number of outputs. And basically this is how to create YouTube video titles using AI.